Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to play multiplayer in Bus Simulator Indonesia. To do this, first open the game and then tap on multiplayer mode. And now you can choose the payment option or watch this ad. Now you can select the server from here or you can choose automatically option. It's joining to lobby. Now select any server and ask your friend to use same server to play multiplayer. Now tap on create room. Now type your room name here and you can type any secret code. Now choose the number of players you want to play or you want to add. After that, open map and choose the route. Now tap on create. After that, go to your friend's phone. From your friend's phone, first open the game and then tap on multiplayer. And now choose any option. Now choose the same server. Now select the same game mode. Now you can find your name here or you can search. Type the room name. You will find your friend name here. Just tap on it and enter the secret code and then tap on join room. Now tap on ready. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.